I was eating dinner. So hot bird autism seeing the world from a different angle shirt slowly but cautiously go to the front door. Open it up and there is blood all over the front porch and no one there. Kind of freaked out a bit, thought it was a prank. Called the cops because what the fuck ya know. Hot bird autism seeing the world from a different angle shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies tee for men and women. Tank top. V-neck. His efficiency was abysmal that season and he was also the worst hot bird autism seeing the world from a different angle shirt on the team. Melo his rookie season was literally Andrew Wiggins. High scoring volume but nothing else. Marcus Camby was a DPOY talent and was the anchor for that defense. He had an amazing defensive. Official hot bird autism seeing the world from a different angle sweatshirt. Hoodie. Sweatshirt. Hoodie. He was in jail for assault with a deadly weapon and repeated hot bird autism seeing the world from a different angle shirt violence offenses. I noticed that the barbed wire on the top of the fence had fallen down. And my dog was nervous. But other products.